Have you been in the Facebook groups and you've seen how many of the photographers are having like 5-figure months, and you're kind of wondering how you can do that too? What if you could do that or more in only 4 days? Then you can take the rest of the month off. You're probably thinking, no way, right? Well, today I'm gonna share how I made $35,000 in just 4 days as a boudoir photographer and how you can do it too. Yeah, these 3 tips are gonna change the game for you. And be sure to stay to the end. I'm unveiling an exclusive bonus tip. This tip will effortlessly help you keep your schedule booked out at all times. Ready to streamline your business? Let's get started. Hey, I'm Tracy. I help boudoir photographers stay forever booked out. Be sure to grab my free PDF. It lays out my 5 best tips for booking clients without Facebook ads. I made $35,000 with less than 30 hours of work. Break that down and it's $1,167 an hour. Pretty nice little paycheck for a boudoir photographer, right? Let me break it down even more. I photographed 15 sessions in 4 days. This gave me a sales average of $2,333. Now, me personally, I like to keep my sales average right around $2,500. So it's a little bit less than that, but hey, I'll take it. But this is not an overnight success story. It didn't happen without a lot of preparation. So let's talk about it. The first step for me making $35,000 in 4 days is I built a photography price list that basically sells itself. This means I don't have to feel like a used car salesman at every single ordering session. And that's really important to me. I don't want to have to feel salesy ever with my photography business. That is not me at all.
So what I did was create a price list that helps me hit my sales average goal each month. I know what sales average I need to hit, which is $2,500 a session. So I stuck that $2,500 right there in the middle album, the one that most of my clients want. Then I created a couple of smaller albums that they're all right, but it really pushes them to this middle album, the London. And then I have a larger album that excites them, but not everyone can actually afford it. See how this helps them gravitate towards the one that I want them to buy? Sure, I still get smaller sales, but I'll also get larger sales, which helps my sales average stay right where I need it to be.
By the way, if you want to access my boudoir photography pricing template is in the TLC shop. I'll link that in the description below. Now, the second step in making the $35,000 in 4 days is I schedule my actual shooting days in just 3 days. I already told you that I had 15 sessions, but I photographed 5 in the first day, 7 on the second day, and 3 on the third day. When I used a photograph in this way, I like to schedule it like this: lighter on the first and third day and heavier in the middle. Now you may be thinking that's intense, so let's reframe this. I work really hard 1 week a month, and then I get 3 weeks off. I think I'll take that 1 week of hard work to have 3 weeks off. The third step in making $35K in 4 days is my photography sales sessions were on that 4th day, and that means I had to have everything ready to go by that 4th day, and that means ready for sales. So I call and I prep my sessions for the ordering sessions in 10 minutes or less. No, I'm serious, start to finish, 10 minutes or less. Let me show you.
So I feel like I'm a little bit cheating. This client was from a few months back, and so everything is already done. The first round, what I do is go through and remove blinks, blurs, anything double. Typically, I start with about 150 photos. I think that that's the biggest thing. You don't want to overshoot. And that's why my process goes so quickly, because I haven't overshot. So second round, what you're doing is going through and just making sure everything is perfect. And then your third round is when you go through and you color correct. I do everything in Lightroom, and it is very, very quick. So round 1 is remove blinks, blurs, duplicates. Round 2, make sure everything is correct. Round 3, color correct and straighten. Round 4, export.
What I try to do is call and prep my sessions in the evenings of their session. I want it to be done and ready to go for the ordering sessions on the 4th day. My typical ordering sessions last about 30 to 45 minutes. Remember, I've photographed about 800 sessions at this point, so I am very streamlined. Now, it is a long week, back-to-back sessions and then back-to-back ordering sessions, but I get it all done. And if you want me to show you how I call a session and prep it for an ordering session, in 10 minutes or less, let me know. I'd be happy to do a video tutorial of that. Now for my bonus tip, and it's the real reason that I was able to make $35K in 4 days, and it is my automated marketing strategy. This means that I don't have to do any marketing through the entire month. I've set up my marketing strategy to where my leads feel nurtured throughout the month, and they feel like they know me really well. And most of the time, they book without needing a lot of extra work from me. I don't have to spend hours and hours on consult calls or in my DMs trying to turn leads into clients. My leads book without ever even really talking to me. And that's how I finish all of my work in 4 days. I don't have to take all of my spare time trying to find and book clients. My marketing strategy takes care of that for me. And by the way, if you want to know what's in this free, yes, I said free. I'm not paying to find these clients either. If you want to know what's in this free organic marketing strategy, be sure to download my free guide, 5 tips to booking clients without Facebook ads. So now you know exactly how I made $35K in 4 days. Be sure to subscribe to get notified of my next video, and that's going to be on how to get booked out as a beginner photographer this year. If this was helpful, let me know and give it a like. She's very sleepy, but she says bye. We'll see you next week.